Welcome back to the I Am Triple G channel, guys. Channel where we do a lot of tips and tricks videos for things on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, and just streaming stuff. My name is Kyle, but I go by I Am Triple G online. Some people call me your stream sensei, which I will gladly take. In today's video, we're gonna show you how you can get a controller on your stream as an overlay so people can see the buttons that you're hitting. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is go over to the trusty old Google. Type in gamepad viewer. We're gonna go to the first one, and what is gonna happen is it wants you to set up your controller. As you can see in the bottom, it says there's nothing there. I'm going to player one. It automatically adds it. So now what we can do is on here make this look a little bit nicer, and we can change it to different things. If you want to do a PS4, you can do a PS4. It's pretty sweet, but I got an Xbox, so we're gonna do that. And we want to go over here to the 3, and at the bottom right, well, sorry, in the mid, we're gonna generate URL. It's gonna come up, gonna click, it's gonna get copied, and then we're gonna go to my stream. All right, since this is kind of like a streamception, we want to go over to sources, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna input a browser source, and it's gonna be called gamepad. Throw in that link, and I'm gonna set this to 1920. Ooh. And 1080. Press OK, and I should have a controller. So you can size it to all you like, however you want. You can put it wherever you want. You can even add different things if I want to do over the top of my head. And boom, 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 boom. And now when I'm playing Call of Duty, like Dr. Disrespect or something, now you guys can see my epic button shots. Oh, as far as I know, you might have to change the browser source every time. So far it hasn't done that to me, but just in case, make sure you're prepared and save that website. If that video helped you guys, please leave a like and make sure you hit that subscribe. Really helps the channel out. If you want to go and check out some other stuff, I got a bunch of other videos for other things like Streamlabs and OBS and Stream Elements. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See you later.